argument with myself down Elizabeth Street, bumping into backpackers and struggling with the parameters and the basic construction of my feet, kicking beer cans and rubbish along the concrete, crossing the street or crossing galaxies of taxis and backseats and drunk sweets and half-Greeks. Shut up, no you shut up. What's the matter, take a number, buttercup? Every time I hear you say fuck it, I will remind you of the photo in your pocket. How long it's been there, 2 years, I bet. Have a sniff, it's gonna smell like a cigarette. When was the last time you smoked a cigarette? And more importantly, who did you smoke it with? Having an argument with myself down Victoria Street, passing the markets, now the windows and neon illuminating my path to the feet. Your grinning face, scaring a